Good evening, friends. Today I'll be discussing about the general knowledge of November month. This video is very important for banking services. So, first question is the state which will host the Global Agro Meet in November. The state which will host the Global Agro Meet in November is Kerala. Okay. The second is the new governor of Manipur is Krishan Kantpol. Krishan Kantpol is the new governor of Manipur, and the Chief Minister of Manipur is Okram Ibovi Singh. The third is Doordarshan was established on 15th September 1959 को दूरदर्शन जो है एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था. वर्ल्ड अडल्ट लिटरेसी रेट वर्ल्ड adult average literacy rate is 84%. Okay, then Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award are present by Bureau of Indian Standards. Bureau of Indian Standards. Bureau of Indian Standards. Okay, next, the state with the highest proportion of hired workers as per the 6th Economic Census 2013 is Arunachal Pradesh. The JNU professor awarded with the 8th Special Book Award of China, Priyadarshi Mukherjee. Priyadarshi Mukherjee. The next question is India's first coral garden will come up in Mithapur, Gujarat. The India's first coral garden will come up in Mithapur. Gujarat. Winner of the men's single title of the Indonesian Master Grand Prix Gold is HS Pranoy. The autobiography of Nasruddin Shah and Then One Day is the autobiography of Nasruddin Shah recently launched. The person who will lead US-led global coalition against ISIS militant, John Allen. John Allen will be leading the US-led global coalition against ISIS militants. World Suicide Prevention Day is 10th September. 10th September. Winner of the men's double title in 2014 US Open, Mike Bryan and Bob Bryan. Mike Bryan and Bob Bryan are the men's double title at the 2014 US Open. India's ranking in the Creative Productivity Index released by ADB, Asian Development Bank, and EIU is 14th rank. Okay. Next is Hindi Divas, recently celebrated by few Hindi lovers. 14th September. The state government which has imposed RE1 cess on cigarette packet and liquid bottle is Delhi, the country with highest rate of child marriages, Bangladesh. The growth rate of Indian economy in 2014 as per the UNCTAD Trade and Development Report 2015 is 5.6%. The new upper age limit of MDs and CEOs in private sector bank is 70 years. The doctors whose family will receive Friendship Award from Chinese President Xi Jinping, Dwarkanath Kotnis, Dwarkanath Kotnis. The special promotion scheme to promote women scientist Kiran. The person appointed as executive director in World Bank, Subhash Chandra Garg. Subhash Chandra Garg is appointed as the executive director in World Bank. The next question is the year by which phase 5 of UIDAI project entails to generate 100 crore Aadhaar members. 2015 is the year. The PSU in which the CCEA has cleared stake dilution, CIL, Coal India Limited, ONGC, NHPC. These are the three companies. The disinvestment target of the government for the current fiscal year 43,425 CR. The eminent Bangladeshi Nazrul Sangeet singer who died recently, Firoza Begum. The nuclear power plant in India that made second highest operating records in the world, Rawat Bata. The highest definition Earth observing satellite launched recently by China is Gaofen 2. Gaofen 2. The sole authority to mint coins of all denominations in India, Government of India. The relief operation carried out in Jammu and Kashmir recently, Operation Megh Rahat. Operation Rahat. So next we will be discussing about in the second